Hey everyone, it's Jeannie Marie. I'm here to announce and draw the winner of the subscriber giveaway. Just reminding everybody what that person's going to get. We have the 9x12 panel, 10x10 canvas, some push pens, the HP glossy photo paper, 6 pieces to use in case you want to make skins off your extra paint. And then you have a pad to paint on. I have filled these bottles up, one with Floetrol, one with glue all. Put them in a bag, tighten them nice and tight so they won't spill. The tubing to blow in case you want to get creative. Pipettes. And the squeegees. Some art stuff here and some foam paintbrushes. And of course the Master's Touch acrylic paint, the metallic gold mica. It's a cosmetic grade. And I've added, of course, your gloves and your cups. Everything you see here, right here. And I added a couple more things in case you want to get creative with a balloon smash. So I'm throwing in a couple balloons and a little ball of yarn. So you have a lot of things. You have your skewers and your tube for blowing. Different things you can use to create with. So here's the bowl. I'm going to go like that. Put this over top. You can't see. And I'm going to draw a name. Here it comes. Renee. Like glitter? Like glitter. I will give you instructions below the video of how to get in touch with me so I can get your address. I'll just have you email me. So if you can give me your address at my email, Jeannie Mom, it's JEANNEMOM for mom, at gmail.com. Email me, Renee, and give me your address, and I'll be more than happy to send you your prize. Congratulations, and thank you for everybody that subscribed and watched my channel. I'll be doing another one next month. Everybody have a great night, and the weekend's not far away, so have a great weekend. See you soon. Bye-bye.